Bitch, I'm a bird. Bitch, I'm a bird. I don't say yo, I just say, bitch, I'm a bird. Bitch, I'm a bird. Bitch, I'm a bird. Bitch, I'm a bird. Go.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an invisible ponytail. So this style actually took me about 2 hours. Like, I couldn't believe how long it actually took. So first I'm going to start with some leave-in conditioner. That's the Cantu leave-in conditioner. I love it. This is the Smooth Butter. This stuff is so bomb. It's like butter, but it's a bunch of oils in it. It has tea tree and a bunch of really good oils. I love it in my hair, and I'm just going to brush that through. And then I'm going to be using, oh yeah, I had to straighten my hair, but I'm not going to show y'all because you're not going to drag me on Beyonce's internet. Now I'm going to take the Got To Be glue, and this is the only thing that really keeps my hair really stiff, because I do want to be able to wear this hairstyle for at least 3 days, like 3 days minimum. Y'all know ponytails is something you can't really wear for a really long time. So I'm going to take 2 scrunchies. The first scrunchie is just going to hold my ponytail, and then the second scrunchie is going to give it some height. So you're just going to bring that scrunchie a little bit high up, and we're going to give it some height. Now you want to add a little bit of braiding here to elongate your ponytail, unless you got long hair. I'm bald headed, so you want to elongate your ponytail. I'm going to take some track hair. This is the Body Wave from Organique. I think that's how you say it. Yeah, Organique. It comes with 3 bundles, and the longest bundle is 28 inches. It was really hard for me to record this part because it will keep going in and out of focus. What you're going to do is just wrap the hair from the bottom all the way up the braid. What I did, you can use glue, but I like to just sew it on. Glue is just so messy for me, so it was easy. I thought it would be easier for me to sew it on, but this did take me a good amount of time. So just keep that in mind when you're trying this tutorial. You're just going to wrap it around and then sew it onto the braid. Now you're going to take some Got To Be glue spray, and you're going to spray a piece of hair that you're going to pull out of the ponytail, and you're going to use that to wrap it around. It's going to give you like the whole genie in a bottle look. So you're going to wrap that around really tight, and you want to keep it really straight. So that's why I sprayed the Got To Be glue. Now I'm going to accessorize with some gold string. Just wrap that around any fancy way. It don't make no difference. And then I'm going to lay my edges. I'm using the Edgify Her edge brush. Super cute. It's like gold. It's so fancy. And I'm going to lay my edges, and that's pretty much it. I'm so sorry that I couldn't really record like how to actually wrap it around, but it's very simple. Just wrap and sew. You can use glue, and I'm going to put in the description bar one of the tutorials I watched to achieve this style. See you guys next time.
The birds are chirping. Got Tim's hoe, silkies. Got beef and broccoli. Got tracksuits, Rock Lee. Got swipes, hoe, not me. Nah, birds in the trap line, birds on the phone. Birds in the coop with that hookah and Patron. Birds in the trap.